Hello people of the world, it's Rachel and I am back to do another makeup tutorial today. I am so excited for today's video because I will be trying out the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I ordered this probably like a week ago, and I have been waiting to get this in. I have not touched it, I have not swatched it, I have not done anything with this palette except for open it. So I did get a ring light. Harry's gonna turn it on right now. So this is without the ring light, so go ahead and turn it on. Ta-da! So without further ado, let's just get started. This is what the palette looks like. Obviously you can see that there's a wide range from red to purple from the rainbow. This is like a white, a black, and like a greenish tint. Greenish yellowish tint. But I am so excited to play with these colors today. You guys probably noticed I did get a haircut. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So without further ado, let's get into the Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette. I kind of want to do like a sunset type of look. I'll insert a picture here of my inspiration. I know that I'm going to want to cut the crease at some point, so I think I'm just going to get started and try to replicate that picture. Maybe do something a little bit different, but definitely that picture is like my inspiration. Okay, so in that picture, she obviously has like more reds to oranges. I think I'm going to start out, I think I'm going to do yellow, orange, red on the crease. So I'm going to go in with this one, this very vibrant yellow shade. So let's go ahead and put that on the inner corner of the crease. Just doing like little tiny small circular motions. Okay, so now that we have that yellow color on, I'm gonna dip into this orange, and I'm just gonna use, it's kind of hard to see, but I only used yellow on one side of the brush. So I'm just gonna go onto the other side of this Morphe M433 and dip into this orange right here. Ooh, I like that a lot. So far these are blending seamlessly. Like I don't even have to work to blend them. They just like naturally blend together. Wow, that's really, really pretty. Okay, so now that the brush is clean, I wiped all of that that yellow and orange pigment off. I think I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna take a little bit of the red and then mostly the pink, and we're gonna put that on the outer corner. I am getting a little bit of fallout, as you can see, but I did put a lot of powder underneath my eyes, so hopefully I'll just be able to like brush that away. Again, it's like I don't even have to blend. Like as soon as I place it, it just diffuses. It's really, really, really nice. Okay, so this is where we are at the moment. I think I am going to go in with a darker pink just to really deepen up that outer corner. So for the outer corner, I'm going to go in with this this Amazon brush. Literally has no markings on it. Great. To make this a little bit deeper and darker on the outer corner, I'm going to go in with this shade. These are so pigmented. I barely dipped into that. That is crazy. It's like my new favorite palette, honestly. Wow. So just to remove all the harsh lines, I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush. This is a Morphe M504. And I'm just going to very lightly go on the corners and really diffuse those out so that there's no harsh lines. See, that looks so much more diffused than that one. So for this next part, I am going to use concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease. So I'm just going to do a very basic cut crease. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color. I'm going to put this color all over the concealer that we just put down. Okay, so now to blend in the light pink with the dark pink, I'm going to go in with the same brush that we used on the outer corner. I'm going to dip into that same shade, that really dark, beautiful pink shade, and just tap it very lightly against the edges. Okay, so now to take this up a notch, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with this shimmering pink right there. And this is gonna take it to a whole nother level. I'm gonna put that on where we put the light pink shade. Oh yeah. I didn't want the whole thing to be matte, so I wanted to throw in a shimmer color in there. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Can you tell that I love it? So now that we have the top of the eyeshadow done, I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. And I think I'm just gonna replicate everything that we did on the top. I know, shocking. I love this look. This is so different from anything I've ever done. Okay, so let me just throw on some lashes and I will be right back. All right, everybody, so this is the finished look on the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I love, love, love this palette. It is so pigmented, hardly any fallout at all. I had no fallout on this side, which is crazy good. Please let me know what you guys thought of this makeup look and this tutorial using the Take Me to Brazil palette. This was so much fun. I love doing review videos like this. Let me know if you guys liked this style of video where I tried something out for the first time on camera. I would love to do a first impressions video, like a full face of first impressions. So let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing. Leave a comment down below if you are. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys did like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My button will be somewhere down there. And I will see you on my next video. Cue that blooper reel. Hello, people of the... I have not done any with it. Oh, by the way, I'm using a little bit of red. That red is intense. For this next part, I'm going to use the Smashbox. What if I had like a septum ring that was like hair? Pull yourself together. I literally have an eyelash stuck. Guess I'm done.